Are you tired of staring at your bank balance, wishing it would just grow? Do you dream of a future where your money works harder for you, but feel overwhelmed by the complexities of investing? You're not alone. In today's digital age, a new breed of financial tools has emerged, promising to simplify saving and investing for everyone. On one side, we have Acorns, the pioneer of micro-investing and roundups. On the other, a burgeoning landscape of dedicated savings apps, each with its own unique approach to helping you stash away cash. It's a head-to-head battle for your financial future, Acorns versus savings apps. Which one truly reigns supreme? Which one is the best fit for your financial goals, your lifestyle, and your comfort level with risk? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down everything you need to know about both options, from their core functionalities and fee structures to their pros, cons, and who they're best suited for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which path might lead you closer to your financial aspirations. Let's start with Acorns. Acorns burst onto the scene with a revolutionary concept, micro-investing. Their flagship feature, roundups, takes the spare change from your everyday purchases and invests it. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that extra 50 cents. It's brilliant in its simplicity, making investing feel almost painless, like you're saving without even trying. But Acorns is more than just roundups now. It's evolved into a comprehensive financial wellness platform. At its core, Acorns is a robo-advisor. This means it automates your investments. When you sign up, you answer a few questions about your financial goals, time horizon, income, and risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Acorns recommends one of 5 diversified portfolios, typically composed of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs are essentially baskets of different investments, including stocks and bonds, designed to provide diversification and reduce risk compared to picking individual stocks. Acorns then automatically invests your money into this portfolio, handles rebalancing to keep your allocations on track, and even reinvests any dividends you receive. It's a truly hands-off approach, perfect for those who want to invest but don't have the time or expertise to manage a portfolio themselves. Beyond the core invest account, Acorns offers a suite of other features. There's Acorns Later, which allows you to invest for retirement with various IRA options like traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs, offering potential tax advantages. For parents or guardians, Acorns Early lets you set up custodial investment accounts for children, like UTMA/UGMA accounts, giving them a financial head start. They also have Acorns Checking, a smart checking account that integrates directly with your investing, allowing for real-time roundups and automatic paycheck splits. This means you can have a portion of your salary automatically invested into your various Acorns accounts the moment you get paid. And let's not forget Acorns Earn, which gives you bonus investments when you shop with their partner brands, a nice little perk to boost your portfolio. Now, let's talk about the cost of convenience with Acorns. Acorns operates on a subscription-based model. Their pricing tiers typically range from $3 to $9 per month, depending on the features you want to access. The basic plan usually covers the invest account, while higher tiers unlock features like retirement accounts, custodial accounts, and the checking account. For small balances, these fixed monthly fees can feel disproportionately high. For example, if you only have $100 invested and you're paying $3 a month, that's a 3% annual fee, which is quite substantial. However, as your balance grows, the percentage cost of the fee decreases, making it more cost-effective for larger portfolios. It's important to be aware of these fees and consider how they impact your overall returns, especially in the early stages of your investing journey. So, who is Acorns best for? It's undeniably a fantastic entry point for new investors, especially those who struggle to save. The Roundup feature is a powerful psychological trick, making saving and investing feel effortless. It's also great for hands-off investors who prefer an automated approach and don't want to choose individual stocks. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform that combines investing, retirement planning, kids' accounts, and even banking, Acorns offers a compelling package. It simplifies the process of building good financial habits and getting your money into the market, which is often the biggest hurdle for many. Now, let's pivot and explore the world of dedicated savings apps. The term savings apps is quite broad, encompassing a wide range of tools designed specifically to help you save money. Unlike Acorns, which primarily focuses on investing your spare change, many traditional savings apps emphasize building up your cash reserves, often in high-yield savings accounts. Think about apps like Chime, Capital, Opportun, PiggyVest, or Cowrywise, especially relevant for those of us in Nigeria. These apps often offer features that aim to make saving more engaging and automated. Many of them also include roundup features, similar to Acorns, but instead of investing that spare change, they deposit it into a savings account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.